Hi guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all know what time it is. It's a new week. We have new coupons and new glitches. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and it is absolutely free. And if you like these videos and you want to see more, help your girl out by hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a comment down in the comment section below. Alright, now let's go ahead and get into it. Up first, if you missed it, we went over the early ad preview over on the second channel called Too Crazy with Crazy Coupons. And yesterday, right here on the main channel, we went over some run deals and huge updates. So make sure that you go and check both of those videos out. They will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now let's go ahead and kick things off with our drink deals. We do have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 6-packs on sale, 4 for $14. The Coke and Sprite 12-packs are going to be on sale, 3 for $15, with a 2 off 3 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $13 for 3. And then we also have our Dr. Pepper brand 12-packs on sale this week, 3 for $14, with a 2 off 3 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $12 for 3. And then we also have the Dr. Pepper brand 2 liters on sale, 3 for $6. Next up, we received a one-off one on our Eckrich products. These are on sale for $3.75, so that's going to leave you paying $2.75. And then we also have a one-off 2 for our Hidden Valley packets. These are on sale 2 for $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. Next up, we have a one-off one on the Iams dog food. The 11-pound bags are priced at $23.50, so that's going to leave you paying $22.50. And don't forget, we still have that 5 off 25 DG store coupon on our Iams and Pedigree products. And then we also have a one-off one on the Frisky 16-pound bags of cat food. These are on sale this week for $16, so after the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $15. We also received a new DG store coupon, $2 off when you spend $8 on the Campbell's Chunky Soup or the V8 Splash. And speaking of DG store coupons, we also received this Spend 25 on the P&G oral care products, and then you're going to get an $8 coupon back on your account. So let me know if you guys want to see deals on that. And then we also received this DG store coupon, which works on a lot of products, but you do have to spend $40 in order to get a $10 coupon back on your account. So let me know if you guys want to see deals on that. Now this next DG store coupon is for Saturday only. We have our Gain laundry products priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $15 for 2. If you still have those $155 off 1 manufacturer coupons on the flings, the liquid, or the scent beads, you can definitely stack those together. After all 3 coupons are applied, you're going to pay $11.90 for 2. All right, moving right along, we also received a $2 coupon on the large Persil, making those $7.95, and we received a 2 off 1 for the small Persil laundry detergents, leaving you paying $3.50. Next up, we have a 4 off 1 DG store coupon on our Gain and Downy scent beads. These are priced at $15.95. Pair that up with that exclusive coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $9.45. And then we also received a 3 off 1 DG store coupon for our Gain laundry products priced at $15.95. Pair that up with that exclusive manufacturer coupon. That's going to leave you paying $11.40. But be careful because this one also attaches to the scent beads. Next up, we have a $2 coupon on our Downy fabric softener and the scent beads. So these are priced at $10.95. Pair that up with that exclusive coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $7.40. And up next, here are some really fun deals. We received a DG store coupon on the Purex laundry detergent and the Snuggle scent beads. So after the coupon, you're paying $10 for 2. But this is a DG store coupon, and we do have manufacturer cashback offers. So you can pick up 2 of the Snuggle scent beads priced at $6 each. After that DG store coupon and your cashback, that's going to make your final price $6 for 2, or buy one, get one free. And if you prefer Ibotta over the DG Cash, I did not check my account this morning, but I am sure we have those same cashback offers on Ibotta. And then, of course, don't forget about Fetch Rewards because we always have bonus points on Purex and Snuggle products. Now, we also have $1 DG cashback offers on the Purex 28 count or 35 count pods. So you can pick up 2 of those after that DG store coupon and the cashback. That's going to make your final price $8 for 2. Or you can definitely mix and match and pick up one of the Purex detergents and one of the Snuggle scent beads. But we're still not done because we also received a 2 for $6 DG store coupon on the Purex laundry products priced at $4 each. And if you want to pick up 2 of the liquids, we have a $1.50 DG cashback offer with a limit of 2. So pick up 2 after everything's all said and done. That's going to make your final price $3 for 2, which is better than buy one, get one free. But you can also pick up the 21 count Purex pods. We have a $1 cashback offer with a limit of 2. So after everything's all said and done, that's going to make your final price $4 for 2. Or again, you can mix and match. Pick up one of the liquid and one of the pods. Now, we also received another $2 coupon on our Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergents. These are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. And the next deal we went over in yesterday's video, but something else has happened. So here we have this $3 DG cashback offer on the Brawny paper towels. If you want to pick up the 6-pack, that's going to make your final price $8. But be aware, they did give us a 1-off-1 digital coupon on our accounts this morning, so you might not want to clip that to your account. Now, this $3 cashback offer is still working on the 2-count Brawny paper towels, making your final price $2 for 1 or $5 for 2. And I do not know how long this deal will stick around. I know it says any variety, any size, but anytime this offer attaches to those $5 packs, they always end up removing it. All right, next up, we have our Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners, normally priced at $4 each. We do have a manufacturer coupon for when you pick up 3, you're going to pay $10. We're going to skim through a few of these deals right here. I feel like these are all repeat deals. We do have the copper tone sunscreens on sale this week for $7 with a $2 cashback offer. And the next thing that we need to chit-chat about for just a quick minute are the razors. So we did receive a new 3-off-1 on our Gillette razors and a 3-off-1 for the Venus razors. We still have that Spend 20, Save 5 DG store coupon on the P&G grooming products. So let me know if you guys want to see some deals where we can stack all of those coupons together. Now, I also wanted to warn you about this Schick coupon. It's a 2-off-1. Typically, we get higher value coupons, so I'm going to leave that one alone. I'm not going to clip it to my account. We also have a good deal on the shave cream right here for $1.95 after the coupon. And now we're going to take a quick look at our deodorant deals. So we have the Axe deodorants, $6.50 for 2 after the coupon. We have a 1-off-1 on our Degree deodorants. That's going to leave you paying $2.75. And up next, we have some high-value coupons that are attaching to clearance items. So here we have a 4-off-2 on our Degree and Dove dry sprays. This is working on these smaller dry sprays priced at $4.05. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.10 for 2. We also have a 5-off-2 on our Tresemme products. So if you can find these shampoos and conditioners that are on clearance right now for $4.50, after the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. Next up, we have our Garnier Fruit Teas for $4 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 2. And we have a new 2-off-1 on our Colgate toothpaste. These start out at $3.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay $1.25. And don't forget, we still have that instant savings for $5 off when you spend $15. And we also received a second 2-off-1 Colgate coupon. So if you want to pick up the mouthwash or the toothbrushes, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. And this coupon is glitching and working on the Colgate charcoal toothbrushes, priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1. And here's another little glitch for you. We have a $1.50 cashback offer on our Polygrip products. This is working on the travel size, priced at $2.25. So after the cashback, that's going to make your final price 75 cents, and there's a limit of 3. All right, Craz-E crew. Now, to wrap up today's video, we're going to do something new called the Coupon Bolo. Be on the lookout for all of these Peely coupons at your local Dollar General stores. I found every single one of these at one store. So be on the lookout for those. And you guys know the drill. Stick around and stay tuned because I'll have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon.